Hi guys, welcome to the channel, jetski.co.uk. Remember it. So we've got some goodies today from a company called STRAPINNO. They sent us them over. Very nice of them. Didn't expect anything, but they did send these over. So they're two ratchet straps for the jet skis that are self-retracting. So let's get a wee look and see what they have sent us. Lovely. So we've got two, one for each side. What looks like a nice wee bag to put them in. Just double check. Yeah, absolutely class. So let's get a wee look at the straps to see what we have and how they work. I like the hooks, snap hooks. Yep. They are pretty damn cool. So let's see how they're going to work. You can see down here we've got the original strapping that just came standard with the ski. It's just like a basic ratchet strap. So if we go on down here and up to here, yeah, that is absolutely fantastic the way those are leveling, because they are not going to damage the ski in any shape or form. They're just touching against the hull but not rubbing. Now if you're fussy, STRAPINNO also do soft loops, which I haven't got from them, but I do have a few of my own. So you could do a soft loop and just basically go through your toe and eye down onto here and here. Might need to do it the other way, but should basically be long enough. There you go. She's not going to mark the ski now, and that's her. Give it a wee tighten, but as you can see yourself, it's going over the top of the other ratchet. Just to loosen them, lift them up, break them, off they come. That is really a nice setup. Now, like everything else, they're steel to steel, so a wee bit of WD-40 in here just to keep your maintenance right. Just give them a wee run. Job done. Excellent stuff, STRAPINNO. I like those. So let's see what we have in the second one. A lot heavier this box, so a bigger ratchet. But yes, looky. Stainless steel for all those guys running in the sea like ourselves. So by the look of it, they mount to the trailer. So you're going to basically be mounting them on down here and then run back up again, just the way we did with the last ones. Push these there to release, like so. So that'll run from there to there. You can choose the soft loop option if you want, and that'll be mounted on down there, and then you can just ratchet up. Now I did notice here there's a few wee brackets in here, so you could offset them on your trailer like that, and then they would be sitting at a nicer angle. So they would, if you imagine that's going on straight and it's leaving the angle nice on the trailer. I like that. That is good. But what I do love, stainless guys, those are going to give you no problem. Nice and open, even if you're running in salt and sandy water. That's great. That is magic. So there you are. Thank you very much, STRAPINNO. We'll drop a link in the comments below from where you can purchase them directly off STRAPINNO. Excellent product, guys. First class. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, we've had a rethink about it. We're going to do the STRAPINNOs a different way. Looky, isn't that class? We're going at an angle now and up onto the back of the ski, and it means you don't have to reach way in behind the ski. Get to it handy. But what I did notice, look, and this is a thing I'm going to show you how to overcome. Whenever you come on with your STRAPINNOs here and you go to catch the hull here, This here is banging. I'm as fussy as anything about my ski. I don't like that idea. So what I've done is, we've bought these little boys here, made by Sealy, 2-ton stress. So what we do, we'll basically just thread them through our toe loop, here and here, down to here, on with our strappinos, like so, and like so. And then all we're going to do is just ratchet up our strappinos, like so. And we've now no metal touching the ski. Job done.